Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add accessories to the garage section on the Detecht application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on this vehicle button in the middle. That's the first button, and here you can see your garage section. So tap on the add button in the right side. Tap on accessory, which is the second button. And after that you should add an image of it. So tap on the add image button in the middle, and you have two options. You can either take a picture with your phone or select one from your gallery. Then tap on the brand and set or select a brand. After typing it in, you should type in the model. Then you should set the model year, the category should be selected, and connect it to your vehicle that has been added to this section. If you are done with adding all these details, tap on the add accessory button down below to save all these information. So here you will be able to find it at the garage section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.